Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is, I think, day 15 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. And there's a weekly premium, which I'll do afterwards, in its own video, of course. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem. Before I start, let me check real quick. Alright, there's no bone. Oh, there is. So yeah, sometimes if you look at the contest page, there's a button on I don't know which way I'm pointing at, but the upper left where it's that happy Leetcoding, if you click on it, you get 10 coins. See? But yeah. Also, the other point I wanted to come is just the one thing I want to say, in addition to what we kind of talked about yesterday. If you didn't watch that video, I don't know, you should watch it, I guess. But what I want to say, and this is why I actually really appreciate the Discord channel. I mean, it's not a spam. I don't make any money off this. There's no I don't think there's anything on Discord that I can make money off. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. But then again, I don't know if it's just whatever. But the reason why I love the Discord channel is that one of the things that I am proud of is there are a couple of things I'm proud of, but one of the things that I'm doing today is this victories channel where everyone celebrates the victory. It's a long journey. It's a journey for milestones, and this is a journey that people take many years to, right? I mean, lead coding, of course, especially if you're watching this, is one of the steps. Maybe it's to get a job or whatever, and there's no shame in it. I'm not judging people for trying to get a job, obviously, but yeah, there are also a lot of steps along that journey, and I just like people to celebrate victories as they come, because gosh, these victories aren't always easy. They don't always come that often. And I did okay this time. But that's not even what I wanted to say, I guess, because I did okay 31st. But I guess it doesn't really come up actually, or it doesn't update it. But someone on my channel was like, "Hey, you have your my rating is the highest ever, apparently. My highest ever, not anyone else's. Though I guess it's not updated, so maybe I am jumping the gun here." And to be honest, I don't really care that much about my rating. I don't really practice for it other than what you see, I suppose. And most of these I wouldn't even consider practice, because when you talk about practice, you should practice things that you're struggling with. And most of the time, maybe not, maybe a humble brag, but I don't know. I am not struggling with the daily problems. But yeah, but it's still nice to. I mean, I don't care about rating, but it's still nice, I guess, to kind of have a high once in a while. But yeah, just celebrate those little victories. And if you want to share your victories, come join on the Discord. I don't know if this is spam, whatever. Okay, but that said, I also want to thank everybody for leaving a comment on yesterday's video. Where we talked about the handstand thing. I probably want to do a little bit more, a couple more of that. I think the programming thing, which it's a tough balance, because I don't know how many people come here just for the programming. I don't want to waste too much time, and even this intro I feel like it's a little bit long. It's a couple of minutes, but yeah, I'm trying to find a good balance of it. Let me know in the comments how you feel about these things in general, because they are definitely just and also I don't really label these in a very good way, so definitely it's hard to find unless you watch it every day, which is kind of tough. But any case, I don't know, let me know in the comments. I do, I don't know, sometimes, like I said, this journey is long, so there are gonna be full of these moments. There are gonna be wins, losses, and you just hope that you take more steps forward than you take backwards sometimes. That's all we can grind out, and everything else, you just leave it up to the fates, as they say. All right, but let's get to today's poem. Hope you enjoy. Sorry that this intro, this intro isn't as long as yesterday's, but I don't know. All right, let's get started. 22-25. Find players with 0 or 1 losses. You're given an integer where matches sub I, matches sub I is equal to winner, loser, winners sub I, losers sub I, indicating the player winner sub I defeated player loser sub I in a match. Return an answer of size 2 where answers. Okay, it seems like we just have to keep track of stuff, right? Why is this a medium? Yeah, why is this a medium? That is awkward, but it's fine, but it is just a little bit surprising. I think the given that n is 10 to the 5th for winners and losers, I was gonna say you could use a hash table, you could use even an array if you really want to. There are some trade-offs depending on the distribution of the inputs. But at the end of the day, to be honest, it really doesn't really matter. So, but yeah, you just have to keep track of. So you have to keep track of this, and that's pretty much it, right? So yeah, so during a contest, I may use some shorthand, but maybe we could have two sets, right? So played is equal to list of players who played. This is what I call a bookkeeping problem. It's just keeping track of things, right? List of what's it called, players in general, and then losses. Well, I guess this should be pretty self-explanatory actually. This is one. I have one of my mentors from back in the day used to say comments are excuses for code. I don't necessarily agree with that, but some comments are pretty useless, like this one. So I feel a little bit ashamed of, not ashamed, but like it's just like, yeah, okay, that one is pretty useless. Right? But yeah, for what's it, winner, loser in matches, right? So play.add winner, play.add loser, and then losses of loser we increment by 1, and that should be good. Right, so right now we do a full on thing. So for player in played, oh yeah, we should have an answer thing, right? So answer is equal to zeros. Oh no, it's not, it's to list, not count. Okay, right. I mean, this should be pretty straightforward, though this looks really awkward. It's like I'm drawing ASCII art, so I don't know. But yeah, if does this have to be in sorted order? In increasing order, okay. So we just kind of sort this, I guess. Someone told me, I don't know if there is like some subset of in Python anyway where everything is sorted. But I always feel like I cannot trust it, or I don't trust my memory rather. It's not that, I mean, obviously if I look up the code I would trust it. It's just that I don't trust my memory, so I always sort it, especially during a contest. But yeah, but I think you need to. I mean, you don't need to sort it if it's sorted, but if it already sorted, then that means that there's some log n factor anyway. So either way, it's gonna be n log n at some point. It's just about whether it's amortized here or otherwise, right? And then with losses of player is equal to 0, then I guess you can write this in more succinctly, but it's a pen, right? Almost wrote. Oh, that's not true. Come on, Larry. I almost wrote pushback because I don't know. But yeah, you could probably write this in like 2 lines, but I don't know. Sometimes I just like to. I don't even think I code verbose. I think with 2 things is fine, but did I get it wrong? Why does it take that long sometimes? 1385 day streak. I don't really think I need to go over it this much though. This took a while, but apparently still better than 77%. I mean, I don't think I do anything that funky. I mean, the only thing that you could maybe optimize if you really want to is you don't really need this. You can actually just use losses and just do losses of winner. Make sure that is at least 0 or something, or set default, or just make sure that the key exists or something. But either way, yeah. Ultimately, this is going to be n log n because of this sorting, but everything else is linear and constant, so pretty straightforward. And if this is already sorted, that means that this thing is n log n, so there's no getting around that. Even I don't know that this is all of 1 or all of n, to be honest. Or 1 or all of log n. But yeah, this video, it's nice to kind of get one quickly today. That's all I have for today. Well, I'm gonna do the premium one afterwards, and then, but that's all I have for the daily problem. So yeah, quick one. So thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.